Welcome to the Middle East AI News Minute for Friday, December 15th, brought to you by Carrington Malin, marketing for an AI-first world. Electric vehicle group Lucid has assembled almost 800 cars in its Saudi Arabian factory since it opened in September. The plant is Lucid's second and first outside the United States, which has been built with an initial capacity of 5,000 electric vehicles per year. The EV company's main focus since opening the factory has been training its 200 new local employees. Meanwhile, Saudi oil giant Aramco is expanding its AI and big data unit to support data-driven investment decision-making and help maximize profit. Called Global Optimizer, after the core AI model that it uses, the department now has about 70 people and is still expanding. Aramco's investment in AI tools and skilled professionals has allowed it to increase its capacity to optimize, trade, and to deal with risk and uncertainty. And Oracle has launched a program to train 50,000 Saudis in AI in a collaboration with Future Work and Saudi Arabia's Ministry of Human Resources and Social Development. These were today's top Middle East AI news stories, brought to you by Carrington Malin. See my weekly news digest for more stories and useful links. Thanks for listening.